I think myself and Gavin always knew we'd work together at some point. And I was doing some contracting work at the time, and I just needed to set up a company, and the name Software Design was available, and it was pretty much, exactly what was the type of work I was doing.
Well, I think, software design is made up of a multidisciplinary team where we would have, project managers, designers, developers, engineers. On the design side, we'd have UX, UI, front-end developers. And I suppose we've got all the in-house capability to deliver a software project that, really to any sort of challenging size that a customer's requirements might need. So I've kind of moved into a sales and marketing role, so going out, meeting clients, client relationship management. And Paul is responsible, I suppose he's the overall technical responsibility for delivery of projects and management of projects and the company in itself.
I'd say you know each other very well. I mean, that's probably one of the main advantages. So you know each other's strengths, you know what you're good at, what you're not good at. And I think, in that way it works very well. There's probably a lot of stuff you can, you can just get on with, with, I suppose, with minimal communication sometimes, because you just know each other that well. So I think that's one of the strengths, and there's also, the things like, there's a level of kind of trust and so on that, that will be different maybe, when you don't know someone as well as you might know your brother, I suppose. Definitely, there's, you've got to leave the family dynamic at home. I think, there's probably a risk of, in difficult circumstances, sometimes keeping it as professional as it should be, and I think you just have to be mindful of that. Our father used to run a chemical and glue manufacturing company, so I guess probably our kind of entrepreneurial tendencies would have come from him, and that he would have been in a kind of an inspiration in that regard.
Perfect. He'll love that.
Cut that out.